Hi, I'm Marilee, and today I'm going to show you 4 easy steps to creating your own dehydrated bananas. First step is to soak your bananas in fresh squeezed lemon juice for about 5 minutes. If you don't have lemon juice, you can use some other type of unsweetened fruit juice. After you've soaked them for 5 minutes, you can take them out and you cut them into equally thin slices, and then you might want to place them on a mesh. I'm using a cooling rack in a kind of a shallow based pan, just in case they're real juicy and the juice might need to drain off just a little bit. Makes the dehydrating process go a little more quickly. Anyway, you fill your pan up, and then you're going to turn your oven to 125 degrees, and you're going to leave these in your oven for 18 hours. So you may want to leave and go on vacation for a weekend or something if you're going to tie up your oven for that long. But they're a very healthy and nutritious way of doing dehydrated bananas, because oftentimes the ones that you buy commercially in the store are deep fried in coconut oil before they go through the drying process. So these are much more nutritious, very healthy for you, and if you want to do a little gourmet twist on your dehydrated bananas, try sprinkling them with some cinnamon or a little bit of flaked coconut in the process. And those are your easy steps to making your own dehydrated bananas.